Hey y'all, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing another BOXYCHARM unboxing. So if you're unfamiliar with how I do my BOXYCHARM unboxings, here's how it goes down. I'm going to take a look at last month's box, so the February box, and I'm going to let you know how I used those items throughout the month and let you know whether or not I thought that box was worth the $25 cost that it cost for the box. Then I'm going to go into this month's box not really knowing what's inside. I have my husband take a look at the card that's in there, and he'll let me know what kinds of items are in there so I know what I can come on camera with because I'm going to put the rest on my face. As always, there's two quick caveats. Number one, if there's a product that I can take a look at and know that I'm just going to use it once for the purpose of this video and then never again, I'm just going to put it aside because I would rather gift it to a friend, put it in a giveaway, sell it, something like that, brand new and unused, rather than just using it once and then never again. And number two, because I do only use cruelty-free cosmetics and skincare, if an item in the box is not cruelty-free, I'm also not going to be using that. That intro was short and sweet. Let's get right into February's box. The very first thing was the Wander Beauty Getaway palette. I don't know why I did that again. This is the same thing I did in the last video. I'm like, get away palette? I'm like, no, get away. Get away. This is a face and eye palette, and I used this several times throughout the month, and I really do like this. I think it was a great kind of comprehensive, very, very neutral palette that this would be something that would be good for a getaway that you can pack in your bag and just do very light, easy makeup looks. This retails for $36. I personally would not have paid $36 for this. It is great. It is a nice quality, but it's colors that I think all of us already have, okay? Even though there's a blush in here and a highlighter, these are just very light neutral browns and shimmery golds. So I think we all have this, and while the quality is great, I do not think it's worth $36. Next, we have the Franken Body Caffeinated Scalp Scrub. I didn't use this on screen last time because I didn't feel like showering with all of you watching. That's fucking dirty, you perverts. But I did use this afterwards, and I'll admit I used this once. I did not like this. Okay, I've used several scalp scrubs in the past where you just really get it in there and then once you shampoo, everything is fine. No, not this little jerk. This little jerk did not come out of my hair. I shampooed, and when I say shampooed, I mean like this, like really scrubbing twice, and did heavy duty conditioner to try to get this stuff out of my scalp, and it still didn't all come out. Several days later, I was still feeling like the granules in there, and know that I really scrubbed, and I have used scalp scrubs in the past, so if you're looking for a good scalp scrub, I would highly recommend either the Drunk Elephant one or Nature Lab Tokyo. Both of those are amazing, and they do give you a very good scrub, but then they, more importantly, they wash the hell out, and they don't leave your scalp feeling like it's crawling with fleas. This retails for $18.95, so do with that what you will. I do not recommend this, no. Then, if you watched the last video, you'll know the Coco Gold Mist just basically like bukkaki'd my face. The spray was so violent on this that it did mess up my makeup, but I have actually, you can see I've used a little bit of this throughout the month. I like this as just kind of a skin refresher. So a lot of times when I'm just kind of in my day-to-day job, I'll do my skincare, but I don't do makeup. So throughout the day, I will use this as a little refresher, but I still hold it a full arm's length away because otherwise the spray is like, it's violent. It looks nice and misting. No, it attacks you with ferocity. But I do, again, like this for a kind of skin refresher. I do not shake it up. I leave those gold flakes at the bottom personally, but once summer comes, I don't know, I might use this as a little body spray and use some glitter on my skin. But for now, do I think that this is worth the cost of $14.99? I don't. That's an inexpensive cost, but I don't think it's worth it. I think there are much, much better facial sprays out there. Then there's the NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil Treatment. This is the one that has like the little glittery hearts and things in it. I've used this a few times. This retails for $18 and it's a nice oil, but I am just personally not somebody who likes the smell of rose, and the scent of this does linger. It's not like it only is there when you put it on like a Too Faced peach palette or something like that and goes away. No, this smell lingers there. So again, if you're somebody who likes the smell of rose, this will probably be your holy grail. I do not. So this is, again, I'll keep using it, but I do not like the smell. And then finally, we had the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Saturday Skin is one of those brands that it isn't clear whether or not they are cruelty-free. So I did wind up selling that on my Mercari page. I'll actually leave my Mercari page linked down below if you're interested. That's where I will go ahead and sell a bunch of this stuff if I don't use it at all. Some of it I definitely put aside for giveaways, but others I just sell it to maybe recoup some money on this box. I don't know, but that did go. So knowing what I know now, would I have paid the $25 box cost for the 4 items I did wind up using? I wouldn't have, no. And that's the first time in a long time I can say that, because usually if one item in the box is amazing, just one, then it's worth the cost for me. But this was okay. This palette is okay. The cuticle oil is okay. The face spray is okay. I would not buy any of these again, though. I would never purchase any of these again, so it was not worth the cost for me. And that's the first time in a long time that I've said that. So I'm not trying to start this video on a down note or anything like that, but it does give me hope that maybe this month's box will be a little bit better, because I feel like usually it teeter-totters back and forth. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab the card inside so we can see the theme. The theme is Lucky, Shamrocks for March, groundbreaking. Again, if you want to know the box variety I got, it used to be like, oh, box number 149, and now it is C2103040-BA. Means nothing to me. Maybe it means something to you, but let's see what these items are. The first item is Billion Dollar Brows Clear Brow Gel. Okay, I've used some Billion Dollar Brows before. They gave us a sponge that I really liked. They're another one of those brands. They claim they're cruelty-free, and I can't find any information elsewhere saying whether or not they are. So right now, I'm gonna maybe trust it, but this is just a clear brow gel. I always like those. Again, even on the back, it says cruelty-free, but I couldn't find information on any blogs or any cruelty-free sites like PETA or Leaping Bunny about them. So we shall see. This retails for $18. The next item is large. What is this? This is... Okay, so this is from Glow Recipe. Ooh, this is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, and it's supposed to be calming and hydrating. This is supposed to reset, replenish, and seal in a boost of lasting hydration for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Blended with banana, magnesium, turmeric, and chica. I think it's chica. This sweet souffle is your recipe for calmer, hydrated, healthy-looking skin. Okay, so I do not have many issues with having angry skin, like redness or anything like that. Also, I have to admit, I'm slightly nervous. I hate the smell of fake banana. Like banana runts, I hate it so much, but I'm willing to give this a try. Oh my gosh, that is a kind of tiny little thing for such a big package, but yeah, okay, well, we're gonna try this today. I did do all of my skincare except for moisturizer because my husband said I could do that. Let me give it a smell now. Okay, that's a very light banana smell as far as I can tell. So yeah, I'm curious to try this. Yay, and this must retail for a lot. This retails for $39. So if I like this, again, that's already the cost of the box. I'm pretty happy. The next item is... Okay, so this is by Cab Cosmetics. We've had a lip gloss from them in the past, and it was decent. I did wind up decluttering it in my most recent round of declutters, but we'll see. This is a lip oil, though. A lot of companies coming out with lip oils lately. What is that? So this just... I mean, this looks uber cheap, but if it feels nice, then it feels nice. This retails for 20 bucks. That seems hefty, but let's keep going. The next item is, what is this? This is the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. It's a makeup setting spray. This retails for $22. Let me see if this brand is cruelty-free. Interesting. So apparently Maven Beauty is a subsidiary or like a brand from Fashion Nova. I do not love the idea of Fashion Nova in general. They are very much like supremely fast fashion, but we're not talking about fashion here. It does say that they are 100% vegan and cruelty-free, and several blogs have said so. I'll give this a try. Even though it says rose, maybe the setting spray is really nice and the smell goes away quickly, so I'll still give this a try. And the fifth item is, oh, it feels like a palette. Oh, fuck no. No. Nope. No. No. It's the Lime Crime Venus 2 palette. No, I'm not even opening this. I'm not even looking at it. What does it cost? $1 million? $38? Don't care. Lime Crime is one of those brands that I personally choose to not use. That is my choice. You are more than welcome to your choices. I am more than welcome to mine. I will not be using this. I'm sorry, it's the Venus 3 palette. So this is bye. Okay, so we have 4 items I'm going to be testing today. I have to admit there's only one I'm excited about, but again, if this is great, then that's the cost of the whole palette. So do we have any makeup? We have a clear lip oil, a clear brow gel, and some setting spray. Cool. Where is my diddler? Diddler. It's the diddler. So let's go ahead and try this banana souffle cream. It's very thick. Okay, I lied. It's not very thick. Wow, this is very light. It spreads across the skin very easily. You saw how much I took, and that's definitely enough for my whole face. The smell is so light, but it's actually very nice. Oh, wow, I love this. Oh, it's sinking in nicely. So of course I'm going to have to see how my skin reacts to this over the next month. This feels beautiful. My skin feels very nice and hydrated, and that sank right in. It's not sticky, and the smell is gone. That's awesome. Oh, I have a little left over. Might as well use it. That is a delight. And I said I wanted to try more Glow Recipe products. So, okay. As of right now, the box cost has already been paid for me. I'm pretty excited. So being that we have no other real makeup in the box, I'm gonna go ahead and do my entire face, and then we'll come back, try on some clear brow gel and some clear lip oil and some clear setting spray. How the hell is any of this lucky? What? Okay, we are back. I did my entire face. Everything's gonna be listed in the description box down below if you're interested in what I'm wearing. But let's go ahead and try this Billion Dollar Brows Clear Brow Gel. I did put a little bit of color into my eyebrows just with like a brow marker. But let's try this because, as you guys might know, my brows are pretty unruly. This side the hairs grow straight up, this side they go that way. So I always use a brow gel to tame them. This is a very long brow wand. Usually they're very short and tiny. I don't even see any product on there. Okay, no, it's definitely on there. God, this is huge. I do not like the size of this brow wand, I will say that, but let's see how this does. Okay, so first of all, it has a smell to it. It's not much, but it's a kind of chemically smell. Second of all, the wand is way too big for my liking. I prefer something very tiny. Like the Glossier Boy Brow is so small, but that helps you to like really get in there. This formula just feels it's still very wet. I'll continue using it throughout the month and let you know what I think, but as of right now, I don't love this. Before we go in with the completely clear lip oil, let's go in with the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. I'm going to shake it. I'm not sure if you're supposed to. Yes, shake well before use. Mist evenly 8 to 10 inches away from the face. Let's hope we don't have an incident like last month, okay? Let's try. Okay, the smell of rose is barely there. It's barely there at all. That felt very nice, actually. Wow, that felt very nice. The mist is very fine, but it's enough where your skin feels hydrated. Let's take a close look. That did a really nice job. That did a very nice job, actually. There is that faint smell of rose, but it is nothing like this piece of crap cuticle oil. So again, this retails for $22. So, okay. Now for the lip oil. I can't tell if this is going to be clear or have a color to it. Like, I don't know if that's in the tube. No, okay, so you can see from the side, the tube is clear. This is just maybe a slightly tinted lip oil. It is very goopy. This does have a smell to it, maybe like a bakery type smell, and it's completely clear. It is a completely clear lip oil. It just feels like a lip gloss. It doesn't feel like a lip oil. It just feels like a gloss, a clear gloss. Maybe a little stickier. It's fine. Okay, let's go over my first impressions of everything. First, we have the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Really liked this. Makeup layered very well over it. It sank into the skin very quickly. I could almost see this becoming a new everyday moisturizer for me. I'm curious to use this throughout the month and let you know what I think, but as of right now, really like this, and this retails for $39, so already the box is worth it for me just from the one item. The clear brow gel, as of right now, I don't love it. My brows are even still ever so slightly damp. It didn't really hold them in place. It didn't really do much of anything. The only thing it did, it kind of combed out the hairs individually to make them look a little fluffier, but nothing extraordinary, and I don't think it's worth $18 at all. I think the clear brow gel, if you're looking for clear from ColourPop, is way better than this, but I will continue to use it because I didn't despise it or anything like that, so we'll see. I'll let you know next month. The Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. So this retails for $22. I enjoyed this, actually. My skin doesn't feel tacky. It sort of melted everything together and just looks really nice. Like, it didn't leave water droplets on my face. It didn't make my powders go everywhere. So far, I like it. And the smell is completely gone, which makes me very happy. So I'm actually excited to have this. I'm excited to try it some more. The Cab Lip Oil, it is what it is. I'm not into it. It's fine. But how many clear lip glosses are there? And if you're gonna get a clear lip gloss, do not pay $20 for one. So this is fine. I mean, I'll probably keep this in my collection for a while just because, I mean, it feels nice if I'm being honest, but it's a clear lip gloss. So would I ever repurchase this? No. And the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette, no, that's on my floor right now, and that's where it's gonna stay. Knowing what I know now, would I have paid $25 for this month's box? Absolutely. I really like this, and the spray is really nice. The other two items, again, they weren't terrible, but they're just nothing that's blowing my skirt up. So they're fine. Again, I'll test them throughout the month, and next month I will come back and let you know what I thought. As always, I want you to comment down below. Let me know what you got in your box this month. Let me know if anything was different. Let me know if you were pumped about anything, if you hated anything. Give me all the details. You all can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are all GlitterFallout. And as always, and forever and ever and ever, you all are super freaking rock stars, and I love you so much with my whole heart. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.